I only learnt what homophobic means the other day, and it means that you don't like LGBT people. So I was confused when she said that I was being very homophobic. I'm not homophobic, I'm just against the point of putting it in schools and teaching it to children. I think that they're trying to confuse children into saying, what are you? Because before anybody knew what LGBT meant, everybody knew what gender they were. But now people are confused and they're saying that they're bisexual and trans because they're confused, and people are trying to say it's okay. But before all of this happened, they were completely confident of who they were, but now they're not. My mom isn't telling me to say this, it's completely myself, because my mom's not the one that's going to school to see this happening, I am. So this is my opinion and what I'm saying to stop LGBT lessons from happening in school, because it's really affecting other kids, and even though you might not think that it's affecting other kids, it is, because now they are losing confidence in themselves and looking at themselves and thinking, why am I this person? Why couldn't I be someone else?
I thought the teacher said this is actually doing good for the kids. It's bringing them knowledge and to be more happy with themselves. Are you saying that this is doing the opposite?
Yes, I'm saying that teachers and other people that are teaching this to young kids are completely wrong, because they're saying that it's doing children and people good, but it's not. Because before all this happened, people knew who they were and they knew who they're proud of, and they knew their self. But since this came out and into school, children are now facing the choice of what gender they are by the age of 4. Some people by the age of 4 are saying that I don't want to be a girl anymore, or I don't want to be a boy anymore. But that's because schools or nurseries are trying to say to children that it's okay to become something else that you're not.